Hi, I just wanted to do a quick video how it's going with the LandCruiser. I put the gearbox in and we are about to put the engine in. I just wanted to show you that. So here's the engine I've been working on. Everything is done on the engine except the turbo and those air tubes lying on top, but I'm going to put that later because I have to set some settings on it before I put that on. So I already put the gearbox on. It's a little bit heavy behind, so I secured the back of the gearbox, and of course I have to put the clutch and that stuff first, so I'm lifting it up in the air and putting that stuff on. Also I got some equipment for lifting the car. It's here. So we're gonna build this together quickly and then lift it up, and so we can swing it on the side and fix the underside, and then we can put the body on the chassis. So finally the car is getting into one piece again. Bye.